Hello students, welcome to my channel SDK Pathshala. Today we will talk about electromagnet. Okay, do you know what is an electromagnet? An electromagnet is a particular magnet or is a particular magnet which is produced by passing of electric current through a magnetic material. So what are the magnetic materials? Magnetic materials are the materials which can be magnetized and which are attracted towards the magnet. Okay, so how we can prepare a simple electromagnet. A simple electromagnet can be made by an iron nail. So let us take an iron nail. So suppose this is an iron nail. Okay, suppose this is an iron nail. Now what you need to do? You need to wound some wire around the iron nail like this spring line structure. Okay, and then we need to pass electricity through the iron nail. This much we need to do. So this is an electric cell. So here this is positive end, this is negative end, so current will flow from this direction. Okay, so a south pole will be developed on this direction and north pole will develop in this direction. So after passing the electricity, we will see that the nail become a particular magnet, or it develops a property of magnetism. So this is how we can make an electromagnet. So very easy, by the way which you can do it in your home also. Okay, so now what is the, or in which way you can increase the strength of this magnet? So this is an artificial magnet. So in this artificial magnet we have a particular choice by which we can increase or decrease its strength. So according to our choice, we will, or we can increase its magnetic property or magnetism, or we can choose to decrease its magnetism or the magnetic power. So how will you do that? So if you increase the number of turns, how many turns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or 10 turns are there. Now if you make more closer loops, so the number of turns will increases. So as the number of turns will increases, now the magnetic strength of the electromagnet also increases. And if we increase the potential of this battery or potential of this cell, or if we increase the amount of current, let us talk about current. So if you increase the amount of current flowing through the conductor, then also the magnetic strength of this electromagnet will increase. Okay, so what is the reason we use that electromagnet? So electromagnet is a very useful thing, because we can easily make it a magnet, and as soon as we disconnect the circuit from this cell, as soon as we disconnect the electricity, then it will get back to its original property. That is, it will not have the magnetic property anymore. So this is not permanent. This electromagnet is a not permanent magnet. This is a temporary magnet. So when we wish to do some amount of work with it, then we need to just give electric current through or pass electric current through it, and when we not, then we need not to supply any current, like in case of a dockyard, in case of a dock, or in case of a where the heavy load is shifted, like in case of unloading some container. So in case of loading or unloading the containers are made up of iron. So they are very huge, So they use a crane where in that crane electromagnet is attached. So electromagnet strongly attract that iron container, and when we try to drop or place the iron container from one place to another place, so we need to shift the container there, and then we need to switch off the electric current. As soon as we switch off the electric current, the container will remove from the magnet. Okay, so this is how, or this is the particular way by which we are using the electromagnet. Or another way, in calling bell. In calling bell also we use this electromagnet. Okay, so electromagnets are different kind of magnet which is magnetized, or which materials are magnetized by the passing electric current through it. Okay, so now we need to know about earth magnetism. We need to know about earth magnetism. What is earth magnetism? Earth have a particular magnetic field. It has a magnetic field, and this magnetic field is due to different, or in different view of different scientists, this is due to different reason. But the most popular reason or most popular viewpoint is the view of core. So some scientists believe that there is a core and the core is rotating. So generally in earth, when earth is it was a ball of gas, so after cooling down, all the heavy materials goes inside the center or goes towards the center. So all the heavy metals are there at the center. All the heavy metals are there at the center, and as the center is very hot, so they are kind of molted. So these molted, or these molten rocks or molten materials, or you can say molten metals, are in plasma state or in molten state. So this molten state, at this molten state, their electron and protons are kindly shift. So there it produce a charge. Okay, so this charge move in the core. It is assumed that the core move in the opposite direction of the movement of the earth. So as the electric charges move, it will produce a magnetic field. So this is a particular theory, or this is a particular well-known theory about why earth is having the magnetic field. So this magnetic field, is there any help of this magnetic field? How earth magnetic field look like? Suppose this is earth, so earth magnetic field looks like this. Okay, magnetic field looks like this. So this magnetic field of earth helps different animals. Which animals? Some animals like migratory birds. Migratory birds are the particular birds which migrate from one place to another place due to the favorable, or for the search of favorable condition, for favorable weather condition and for food. So there is no path in air, so how they follow the same place from one place, or in every year they comes to a particular place from another fixed place. So how they do that? They will follow, or they follow a particular magnetic line of force or magnetic field lines of the earth. So these are the magnetic field lines of earth. So this is the earth, and these are the magnetic field lines. So they follow this magnetic line of force, and by following the magnetic line of force, they can navigate them from one place to another place. Okay, so how they follow? Because they are having a ferromagnetic material inside their head. A liquid ferromagnetic material is present inside their head, which will allow them to navigate through the, or navigate with the help of the magnetic field lines of Earth. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, and in this chapter you need to learn about different uses of magnet, which you already know what are the main uses of magnet. And if you have any query, then you can send it in the comment box below. And if you like my video, then please press the like button, and if you not subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel for this kind of interesting videos. Thank you.